Hey guys, excuse the crazy red lipstick. We had officer installation today, so we had to do the red lip thing, but I wanted to share with you what's going on. I got so tied up and busy in what I was doing that I totally forgot to grab my camera, so let me show you the mess. Alright, so I kind of invaded Miss Martinez's classroom a little bit, or a lot. These are computer boxes that I gather, and I just got some new ones. Got some boxes over there from the copy room when they get new boxes. So I run and grab as many boxes as I can. And in each one, these are all my SkillsUSA installation. I need to reorganize that. So after our installation, we are putting things away, and then I got the crazy bug to organize these, and I thought, well, I think I have a USA box in the closet. So then I grabbed my USA box, which is that one. You can see there, has the USA stuff for when we do like Memorial Day, things of the sort. Veterans Day. And then that led me to take out the rest of these boxes, and well, you know, it went from there. So I need to reorganize the officer installation items that I have. Throw out some old stuff. I had a bag, which is there, that I had tons of stuff that I purchased but I had not sorted through yet. And so I just want to share with you what I've got going on. So some things that I had just put in the closet but not put away, things of the sort. Right now I'm going through the fall things that I need to get my officers to do. The Glamour Schools Day of the Dead event that we do on campus, collaboration, and then October Fall Fest things. So then we just got stuff all over the place. And then over here I have the rest of my stuff, and all of these boxes here. I know I've done a video of it before, literally goes all the way to the top. But what I do is, and these are down here missing because they're out there, but I have these boxes, right? And so I start at the bottom with, and I have them in order as to how the school year goes. So, needless to say, this is the first semester here, and up there, second semester and stuff for the summer. And of course, I've not been doing good throwing things in the closet, and not been really good about putting things where they go. But for example, we have Mother's Day, okay? Which is actually switched with Cinco de Mayo. But when I do Mother's Day anything, I come to this box labeled Mother's Day that has everything that I need or own that is pertaining to Mother's Day. If I do a Frozen braid workshop, all of my Frozen themed stuff is in here. When we do Wedding Bliss, these are my wedding boxes. When we do a pirate event, this is my pirate stuff. Summer, we did a pancake summer thing one time, so that's that. We have a prize box randomly here, Christmas decor, although Christmas kind of took over, and there's 6 more boxes up here, which sounds crazy, but believe me, this organization system is amazing, because then I can just go along the row, along the shelf, and grab and put back, and it just really keeps me organized. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm putting back all the different things that I've been taking out randomly. So for example, our princess party that we had, here's all of our princess decorating backdrops and little things for the tables and cups and such. Here is a Mother's Day, another Mother's Day box. And actually I used some of the stuff I bought for my sister-in-law's baby shower. So I had some stuff left over, and I didn't want to throw it away, and I can always reuse like this kind of stuff here for events. So I have that here. Then I have face painting box that got mixed up in here. Actually should be in my other closet. I have stamps, and then these are some pom-poms that I didn't have space for, so just literally they're taking up a box. These items are the first week of school decor that I have not put back. So that's what I'm working on. And the thing that I love the most about these boxes is that when you turn them sideways, of course the stuff doesn't fall out, but 5 fit instead of 4 on the shelf. So things that I buy, like this is a pumpkin backdrop that I got from the dollar spot at Target. And then just different things like for the pocket shakers, and whenever we do salon day, we have like little pumpkin decorations and the little leaves that we sit down on our manicure tables or reception counter. Those are there. I'm getting together for my officers, since it is October, a box that contains the things that I need them to work on. So for example, we do have the littles from the junior academy. They come and they haunt the halls, and so then we give them candy and stuff. So I found this cute little sign, so we'll put that up on the door. And then I bought them erasers and pencils to give out with their candy, or maybe even something instead of candy, maybe a healthy snack, since we are working on our chalk committee as well. And then for our students, for my students, we're doing a Day of the Dead collaboration with world languages. And so I got these little, they're cellophane bags, and you just clip them together and put some sort of candy or something in them. So I will have my students fill, my SkillsUSA officers fill these bags. I'll buy the candy, give them some gloves, sit down, sanitize everything, and then they will fill up enough bags for everybody in all of our SkillsUSA members in our chapter. So one, it helps them build rapport with their members, but two, it helps me as far as getting that done. And I provide everything, they just help me do it, and then it actually gets done. To where in the past, let me show you in here. This is, here we go. Last year I bought, or the year before I think, I bought these, and they were on sale, so they were like 75% off of $3, which was awesome. So they're little, it's a little banner, and you fill them up with candy, and then you can tear the top off the string, and then you get left over your little triangle. Okay, so I bought these 2 years ago, and then I never used them because I got so busy I totally forgot about them. And then they just sit there. So this way my officers can take care of that, and boom, done. So that's kind of exciting. So I've got to go through, and because I've got like some really cool stuff in here, and like these are really cute, so I'll maybe use these for the littles. Oh, that's a great idea. I'll use it for that. Anyway, and so then that way, you know, the students, and I have my little, I love wearing this apron. Watch, let me show y'all. It's a little kid's apron, but literally it fits me. And I wear it anatomy, when I teach anatomy, I teach it during Halloween time in October, because I get to wear that. And so then I buy them donuts, and I'll buy these little things, and I'll stick them in the middle of the donut. Obviously not these, because these are not packaged, but so yeah, things for crazy hair day. If we have spirit days. Oh, I guess one year I gave out eyeballs. Oh, to the teachers. I always give little gifts to my team, to the teachers. Says thanks for keeping an eye on the student's success. And then they have eyeballs in a little bag. So I'll give those to my teachers, just like teacher appreciation, and then students give me stuff, and then, you know, we put it out and things like that. But anyway, so just things like that that I have, and like these are from the Day of the Dead, so that needs to go in this box. And in this box I have a whole other thing of things, and it's a lot. So I need to go through them, make sure I use what I have, and stop buying stuff that I already have. But you know, they always come out with such cute things. So alright, I just want to share with you the chaos that I have going on at, what time is it? 6:23 p.m. It's probably going to take me at least an hour to get out of here, but totally worth it because I've been wanting to do this, and we'll see how it comes out in just a minute. Alright guys, I just wanted to share with you, check it out. My boxes are all lined up. I did not finish with these 3 here, and I still need to go through this box here that has a bunch of rolls of paper for a project we've got going on in the near future. And in this little corner here, I got all my posters and stuff that I need to go through, but it's looking beautiful and it's organized. So, alright, so time to go home. You guys have a good one. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.